Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Maurya and today I am going to talk about very interesting topic information technology, especially how it is used by one of our favorite apps Zomato. So, let's begin with the introduction. Zomato is a very popular platform that helps people order food online and discover new restaurants around them. Instead of calling restaurants or going there, people can simply use the Zomato app or website to see menus, read reviews, and place an order in just a few clicks. All of this is possible because of information technology. It allows Zomato to store a lot of restaurants and customer data, process orders very quickly, and give a smooth experience to user. Now move forward to applications of AI or applications of IT in Zomato. So first point is mobile app and website. The app and sites are very easy to use. People can search for food, check ratings, look at menus and place orders quickly. Second point is online payment systems. Zomato supports different payment options like UPI, debit and credit cards, wallets, and even cash on delivery. These systems are secure and make transactions simple. Third point is location based service. Using GPS, the app shows nearby restaurants and helps track the delivery in real time. This helps customers to know exactly where their food is. Fourth point is AI powered recommendation. Zomato use artificial intelligence to learn what we like to eat based on our past orders and searches. Then it gives us suggestions that match our taste. Now move forward to functions of IT in Zomato. So the first point is order management system. From placing the order to confirming it with the restaurant, the assigning a delivery partners, all steps are managed using technology. This makes the process quick and accurate. Second point is restaurant listing and reviews. Zomato stores large amount of data like restaurant names, menus, timing, photos, and customers' reviews. It helps manage and display this information efficiently. The third point is delivery management. Zomato use smart systems to assign the nearest delivery partners so that food reaches fast and fresh. The last point is customer relationship management. Zomato use automated systems like chatbots to answer common customer questions, take feedbacks, and solve problems quickly. Now, the next is impact on customers. So, first point is fast delivery. With real time tracking, we can see where our food is and how long it will take. Second point is user personalization. Zomato remember our favorite orders and gives us offer or suggestion based on that. Third point is support. If anything goes wrong, we can chat with support agent or a chatbot 24/7 hours. This makes customer service much faster and more reliable. Fourth point is trust and transparency. Payments are secure and the reviews are verified, which help us to trust the service and restaurants listed. Now move forward to IT software used by Zomato. First point is Amazon Web Services. It stores huge amount of data in the cloud so that the app can run smoothly even when millions of people are using it at the same time. Second point is Google Maps API. This tool is used for location tracking, helping customers and delivery partners find the best routes. Third is uh, MongoDB and MySQL. These are database tools that stores all the details about users, restaurants, orders and payment. Third is CRM tools. CRM tools like Zendesk. This helps in managing customer queries and providing timely supports. And last is AI or ML tools. Zomato use artificial intelligence and machine learning to give personalized suggestions and to prevent fraud like fake reviews or false orders. Now let me conclude the presentation. So IT is central to Zomato's success, enables real-time operations, efficient service and satisfied customers. Zomato relies on strong IT systems to operate at scale and speed. Delivers consistent, convenient, and secure food ordering experience. So thank you so much everyone for listening me.